नई दिल्ली के इंडिया हैबिटेट सेंटर में संजीव सिन्हा फाउंडेशन द्वारा दिवंगत कलाकार संजीव सिन्हा के गहन कार्यों को प्रदर्शित करने वाली प्रदर्शनी बियॉन्ड आइकॉनिक डेप्थ की घोषणा करते हुए रोमांचित है। बता दें कि यह प्रदर्शनी 20 से 26 नवंबर 2024 तक इंडिया हैबिटेट सेंटर के विजुअल आर्ट्स गैलरी में जनता के लिए खुली रहेगी। इस प्रदर्शनी का आयोजन एल्स राइंडर्स फाउंडेशन फॉर इंडियन आर्टिस्ट के निदेशक और डाइने हिगर नीदरलैंड के विजुअल आर्टिस्ट द्वारा किया गया है और तक्षशिला द रजा फाउंडेशन और मेडिवेयर्स हॉस्पिटल द्वारा प्रायोजित है और यह 2013 से 2020 तक सिन्हा की कलात्मक यात्रा पर एक अतरंग नजर डालती है। एक ऐसा दौर जो भावनात्मक रूप से समृद्ध कामों से चिन्हित है, जो उनके बोल्ड और रंगीन चित्रों और जटिल और प्रतीकात्मक मूर्तियों को सहजता से मिलाते हैं। इस प्रदर्शनी का एक मुख्य आकर्षक 2013 से 2020 तक सिन्हा की कई पेंटिंग्स का पहली बार अनावरण है, जिसे जनता ने अब तक नहीं देखा, जो सिन्हा की अपनी पेंटिंग और मूर्तियों को साथ साथ प्रस्तुत करने, उनकी अंतर्निहित संबंधों को प्रदर्शित करने की दृष्टि को पूरा करती है। आपको बताते हैं दिवंगत संजीव सिन्हा के बारे में। 1963 में बिहार के बाढ़ में जन्मे संजीव सिन्हा 1980 के दशक की उभरती बिहारी कला पीढ़ी के एक महत्वपूर्ण व्यक्ति थे। पटना के कॉलेज ऑफ आर्ट्स एंड क्राफ्ट से स्नातक करने के बाद सिन्हा की यात्रा उन्हें लखनऊ से लेकर दिल्ली में उनके स्थायी निवास तक पूरे भारत में ले गई।
My name is Els Reinders. I work for the foundation together with Dion Hage. We did this exhibition, but Sanjeev for me is a very special person because I knew him from 1993 because then I had a gallery in Amsterdam and he was showing in the gallery. And now again we have this show with Sanjeev and we are very proud that we can do this because he is a very special artist and we like his work. So many people came, so we are happy that he is still remembered by his work and people like it.
These are the works of Sanjeev Sinha, who was my partner, who actually I think we supplemented each other and each other's culture because I'm a Dutch artist. We also collaborated for a couple of years, but this is his single work. I think his work is extremely important for India. It's highly related to the Indian culture, but nonetheless it's without border. I think everyone can read it. It has multiple layers. That's why the title, Buoyant Iconic Depth, because buoyant is like everything is drifting above, it's able to float, and depth is the other way around. And it is iconic because he's using iconic imagery, which will never ever leave your brain anymore, I think.
That's very nice. And any of the art which you like, a particular art of him which you like?
Basically, this is a selection from the years 2013 till 2020. So already this selection, but excuse me, I'm terribly biased. I love his work.
Okay, that's very nice of you. Thank you.
And the sculptures are superb. They are actually small globes with the meridians. So on every globe, they are filled with coal. That's the inside of the earth. So on every one of them, there is like a Shakespearean display of a story, actually.
I'm Dr. Tejasvi Nandan. I am his niece and I am one of the sponsors of this exhibition. The idea when my brother shared that he wants to exhibit his work, we were all like, what is going to? Like, this is completely new for us, but Abhi Dekkar, we are really liking it and it's going deep inside. I've seen him painting these paintings and the way he has put his emotions out in these paintings is really awesome. And I also want to introduce my mother. She is the woman behind him. I have seen in his bad times, she's always stood beside him. Always in his bad times, she was always the one who believed in him, who always supported him, made me financially, made me emotionally. Every moment she has shared. So she has bigger memories with him than me.
मैं अभिज्ञ सागर हूँ. आई एम द नेफ्यू ऑफ संजीव सिन्हा और मैं संजीव सिन्हा मेमोरियल फाउंडेशन का डायरेक्टर हूँ.
सर संजीव सिन्हा की पेंटिंग के बारे में क्या कहेंगे और उनकी जो पेंटिंग है वो आप लोग को कैसे उनकी तरफ खींचती है?
उन्होंने इतनी तरह के डिफरेंट पेंटिंग्स बनाए हैं. लाइक इफ यू लुक एट द paintings from 90s to 2000s, the works kept evolving in a different way, but सारे works में एक चीज जो common है is like इन सारे works में एक गहराई है, एक emotional गहराई है, and he is trying to capture the Indian culture, Indian emotions in his works, and he expresses that very well. तो मतलब आप इस पेंटिंग को देखोगे, it would be like a picture जो आपने पहले नहीं देखा है, but लेकिन आप उससे कनेक्ट कर सकते हो, and you can make some meaningfulness, you can find some meaningfulness out of it. So that is like the main attraction, you know, in his works.
Sinha's older brother, and when he was too young, he was too much motivated toward the art. And as a family member, he loves India. We tried to make the children to go to doctor, engineers. We tried to push him, but he never wanted to go that way. He always wanted to go to art. So at that we given up. I took him to art school in Patna. I can't remember now, 40 years ago. Took him there, and the teacher, I saw the teacher, and they admit him, and from there he grew up. And one thing I like, he broke the barrier. He became art from the barrier where that artists used to stand. Like the artists just work or became a teacher or whatever, and he broke beyond that. That was a bit different for him. That's why he got this all.